Hello everybody and welcome back to Froggo's Creator Academy. So in the last episode, we talked a little bit about my two apps that I would suggest that you use for Android to edit your videos. And of course, I said if you're on iOS, just use iMovie. So let's look right now at PowerDirector. So once we open up PowerDirector, we go to new project, we will name it blah blah blah, and it will be a 16:9 video. Then we'll go to screen recordings, and we want this one right here, the 1632. And this is the last episode that I did. This is the one where I showcased the two apps, just kind of introduced them. But we actually messed up quite a bit, and we don't start this episode until there. So we're going to cut that, delete what comes before that, and this is the episode. Anyways, so there we go. We cut the video, and now we're here. But let's say that we wanted to cut the video again, and we wanted to cut out a segment. Bam. We cut out a segment of the video, and now we have the ability to add a transition into the video. This is one thing that I love about PowerDirector, is the transitions are beautiful. Now, of course, I have full access to everything because I have the premium version of the app. But we have things like Glitch, which is actually one of my favorite ones to use.
Produce the video in 4K, 1080, share onto YouTube with the same options. You have more options to export this video. Now, when it comes down to the editing part, the files.
There we go. So, as you guys see, there's some good stuff to use for that. And let's say we also wanted to add in some audio. So if we come up here, we have the audio video button. We have the audio here. We can do voiceovers. We have all the folders on our phone, Google Drive. We could look at ones we've already downloaded from the presets in here. We have sound effects from the environment, and we have animals and everything else. And then we also have music. Now recently, probably within the last couple of months, they added in Shutterstock. Now Shutterstock signed a deal with PowerDirector so that we can use all of the audio in here in our videos and not get in trouble. And there's quite a few good items on here. Let's choose rock. We will choose one I've already downloaded because I don't feel like downloading anymore. And there we go. So as you can see, you can add in quite a few things. We can do our overlays, like my gaming logo. There we go. We can put that in there. And now we can resize it and put it down here. And we also have options for this, like transform keys. So bam, we can put it there. Over here, we can put it way up here. And down here, we can put it down over here. And now we can move, it'll move as we go through the video. You can do a lot of really cool things with all of those features. And in future episodes, we will cover in-depth guides on how to use this app. And we're going to edit a longer video where we're going to use pretty much every single feature that is offered in this app we're going to be able to use. Now, this is just an example. So here we have all this. We can stretch this out all the way to the end, right? Now if we come over here back to the audio video section, we can also add in my ending screen for my channel, right? And now we can export it up here. So hit export, save to gallery, and we can export it to whatever we want. We can also change the frame rate to 60 if we wanted to. The bit rate, we can better quality. And we can also change the location of where we're going to save it to. And now we can just save that file to our phone or to an SD card. And that is how you use CyberLink. So I hope this gave you a general idea of how to edit videos in CyberLink. Future video where we will edit a longer video and we'll do a full proper edit, and I will showcase every single feature that you will have access to on this app as a premium user. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this, and as always, if you like this content or you are excited about some other content we may cover for content creation, or you have something you would like to see covered, please leave a comment down below letting me know, and I will get to it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.